Hi everyone, I'm Agnes Koh, a retreat organizer and wellness director for iFitWell. For over 2 decades, I've had the incredible privilege of creating transformative retreat experiences for individuals and groups. And let me tell you, in all that time, I've heard a lot of questions, some great ones and some, well, let's just say there's been a bit of confusions about what a retreat actually is. And so, I thought it would be fun to clear up some of those misunderstandings and help you make informed choices about your next adventure. Because, let's face it, choosing the right retreat can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. There are 3 main ways to experience the world: travel agents, doing it yourself, or immersing yourself in a wellness retreat. Now, before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. Just because you are on a plane doesn't automatically mean you are on a retreat. And it doesn't mean when you go on a retreat, the person who planned it is a travel agent. Organizing a retreat is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It's way more complex. We are talking about finding the perfect venue, creating a schedule that flows, and making sure everyone feels amazing. There's a whole world of planning and preparations happening. It's not just about showing up and striking a pose. I'm constantly on a lookout for new trends, fresh ideas, and innovative ways to challenge my students, creating sequences that flow, music that inspires, and cues that empower. It's like putting together a puzzle, but with way more sweat and endorphins. And let's not forget about the little details, those unique touches that set our classes apart. It's about going beyond the basic routine and giving our students something truly special. So the next time you step into my class, remember, there is a whole lot of thought and efforts that goes into making it amazing. That's a whole different world compared to just booking flights and hotels. It's like comparing apples and fried rice. So if you're thinking about a wellness retreat, great choice. There's a retreat out there for everyone. Retreat organizers offer a wide range of experiences to cater to different needs and desire. There are retreats focused on physical well-being like fitness and detox retreats. These are perfect if you want to sweat it out, nourish your body, and give your systems a reset. Then we have retreats that dive deep into the mind and spirit. Yoga and meditation retreats are all about finding inner peace and flexibility. And if you're looking to calm your mind and reduce stresses, mindfulness retreats are your go-to. These retreats helps you find clarity, balance, and a sense of purpose. There is also the broad categories of wellness retreats. These are like a buffet of well-being covering everything from mental and emotional health, physicals to personal growth, socials to culinary adventure. And if you are an adventure seeker, adventure retreats combine the thrill of outdoor activities with mindfulness and relaxations. Alright, let's talk about what makes a retreat truly special. The experience. Beyond just physical and mental well-being, retreats can be a portal to incredible cultural adventures, immersing yourself in the culinary delights, exploring ancient traditions, and connecting with local communities. They are about discovering new things. Whether you are craving a taste of local cuisines or want to explore a region's rich history, there is a retreat out there for you. So next time you're planning to get away, think beyond physical and mental benefits. Consider a retreat that nourishes your soul with culture and adventure too. Now, when you talk to a retreat organizer, they will be happy to guide you through these options. But remember, most retreat organizers focus on creating the retreat experience itself, not booking your flights. They might suggest some flight options or provide recommendations, but they won't handle your travel arrangements. This is because people come from all over the world to attend retreats, so it's easier to let you handle your own travel plans. So whether you're looking to relax, recharge, or transform, there's a wellness retreat out there waiting for you. Let's talk about the master of any retreat. The master skills, experience, and passions are everything to them. Build that connections with your master is like leveling up your retreat experience. You will get more out of it if you are vibing with their energy. Imagine dragging a friend who's never done a retreat to a masterclass. It is like bringing a kid to a grown-up party. Signing up for a retreat and then slipping in, eating out, and doing your own things isn't really giving it a fair shot. It's like buying a gym membership but never going. Retreats is about immersing yourself in the experience, not just checking the box. If you're new to this whole wellness retreat, come in with an open mind. Don't be that person who tells the yoga masters they hate yoga or starts comparing the local food to what they have back home. It's not cool to be negative, especially when you're surrounded by people trying to relax and recharge. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace new experience. Otherwise, you might as well stay home. Different strokes for different folks. It's just not gonna work. Let's be honest, everyone involved, including you, deserves better than that. Retreats aren't cheap, If you are going to invest your time and money, might as well dive in head fast. And remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. So embrace the unexpected, try new things, and be open to connecting with others. You might just make lifelong friends. After all, sharing new experiences is what makes life truly rich.